my name is Subha Gurwal and I'm a math expert. And today we're going to go over how to make a bar graph with latitude and temperature. So typically when people are measuring latitude and temperature, say they're climbing up some mountain, going at different latitudes, and they're taking the temperature at each of these different latitudes. So latitude is kind of the category of data that we're looking at, and temperature is generally what we're measuring. In a bar graph, we're going to put the category of data on the x-axis. So in this case, category is going to be latitude. You're going to give like whatever measurement of latitude you're using. So I'm just breathing L1, L2, L3. And on the y-axis, we're going to put what we're measuring, which in this case is temperature. Put it in degrees. Fahrenheit, you always want to include a unit of measure. So in this case, let's just make it meters. So for a bar graph, at each latitude, we're going to get a specific temperature, T1. We're just going to create a bar with the top of it at the value we measured. We're going to keep doing that. So for latitude 2, you're going to get some measurement T2. Make another bar. L3, we're going to have some T3. Of course, with every bar graph, don't forget to title it. So this could be temperature at different latitudes. So remember, category, what you're measuring, title, and then the bars themselves. And that's how you make a bar graph of latitude and temperature. My name is Subha Gurwal, and thank you for taking an interest in math.